this video, I'm going to explain the steps to scan REST APIs using AppScan Enterprise. This requires three different tools. The first one is REST API client like SoapUI, Postman, or any other REST API client. This is mainly to generate traffic. The second one is Dash Proxy Server. It's a small utility that's bundled with the AppScan Enterprise, and this is mainly to capture the traffic. So the third one is AppScan Enterprise application. This is to test traffic or REST APIs. Let me start with the Postman. This is my Postman. I have the collection called AlterJ REST API. It has bunch of APIs, and the demo application that I'm using is demo.testfile.net. This is the application. It has bunch of REST APIs. So I have configured a small set of REST APIs in Postman. So let me run this using runner. I select my collection. This is my collection. It has a bunch of APIs as I mentioned. I'm going to select my environment, that is Altro. I'll run those APIs. Good, it's running fine. Most of them are returning 500, which is good. I'll close this. So my Postman is ready to generate the traffic. Now I need to bring up my proxy server. Proxy server is a small utility that's bundled with the AppScan Enterprise. If you go to AppScan Enterprise installation area, this is where you find this zip file, AppScan proxy server.zip file. So it will be available under AppScan Enterprise /webapp/download folder. So it's a zip file. You just need to unzip the specific folder, any folder, and after you unzip, it looks like this. This is a Node.js application. To run this, you need to download Node.js runtime, which is very straightforward. You just download and install it. I'm not going to explain to downloading or installing Node.js. So straight away, I'm going to start the proxy server. From this location, I will open the command prompt. The command to start the proxy server is node, which is already installed. Node runtime is already installed. Node app.js. By default, AppScan proxy server starts listening on port 8383. Let's see whether it has started successfully or not. HTTP localhost 8383. Good. A page is coming up. This page is a help page or a documentation page which explains about the endpoints or the REST APIs available in the proxy server. So we started the proxy server, it listening on port 8383. Now we are interested in first three endpoints, start proxy, stop proxy, and traffic. So using these, let's start the instance. So we should not get confused here. Now we have started the proxy server, but now we are going to start the instance in the proxy server. This is the endpoint I'm going to use. This is the server path or host name. Right now it is a localhost. It's running in the same box. Port is, its server is started or listening on port 8383. Automation, start proxy. Let me start this instance with a different port, 1111. Okay, now the proxy is listening. Proxy instance is listening on port 1111. Now the proxy server is up and running. I will go back to Postman. I'll configure my Postman such that all the requests go through my proxy. Add a custom proxy configuration. Okay, the proxy server is localhost, port is 1111. Okay, the proxy is enabled. Now if I run all the APIs, all the requests should go through my proxy server. I'll run them again. This is my collection, and here is my environment. I run the APIs. Okay, completed running all the APIs. I'll close this window. Now I'll go back to the proxy server. Now I'm done with the proxy. I will stop the proxy. The endpoint is stop proxy. Good. Proxy has been stopped successfully. Now I need to download the traffic. Okay, I'm going to download the traffic in desktop. Save. Okay, traffic is ready now. Now I'll open AppScan Enterprise. Log into AppScan Enterprise. In the monitor tab, I have one application. I have created one application. Right now it is empty. I have not associated any scan to this application. Now I'll go to Scans tab and create one scan. I'll create a scan under demo folder. I'll use one template, demo testflight.net template. Just very relevant for this application. This is my starting URL. I'm not going to change it. This is my demo application. Login management, I'll make it none because I'm not going to use this login management for the API scanning. Job properties. Here I'll name the job name as demo.testflight.net REST API test. Okay, before that application, I'll associate this to REST demo application. Test policy is very important. I need to use web service system test policy. I'm not going to use full scan because we do not want AppScan to crawl the application and find all the entities or the URL to be scanned. So here we're going to scan only the data that is imported. So we have not imported it yet. Let's go to Manual Explorer, import the traffic. Good, I have imported the traffic. If you see, all the traffics are related to APIs, which is good. Now everything is configured. I'll create job. Job is created successfully. Good, the job has been created and it's started. It's in the starting phase. Let's see if the job is running fine. I click this job. I can see logs getting updated. So logs. Okay, the job is running fine. Now you can see the job has completed its run. We can see the result through report pack. We can also see the issues from monitor tab. Here it is. Okay, this is how we can test REST APIs using AppScan Enterprise. Thanks everyone.